How do you find yourself using Scraperite when you get to a job site?
Funnily enough, even as abrasive as um, a lot of my products are, I really have to concentrate and focus on an area because generally my disc that I'm using would be like 5 or 6 inch, maybe sometimes I go down to three.
Hmm.
But you can have a piece of glass with, say, a hard water staining issue, but it could also have paint splatter. It's amazing. All the staining will come off, but the paint will actually still be there, these little dots of paint.
No kidding.
Yeah, yeah. So what I then do is just get out my I really love the yellow blade for glass, although the magenta is great. Yellow is my definite go-to, and then it's just I just use it to chip off little bits of paint. Yesterday I was on a job where I had some tricky sealant, and some of the sealants that they use in the glazing industry is it's really stubborn stuff. It was really effective of just cleaning up the edge of these windows that I was restoring.